Yan ang soft gel extension with gel polish.
Naway ni Bugoy, paninda.
Yan yung ikakasal bukas uli.
Ni silag siya.
Aking mga neighborhood sa San Miguel. So, ayan. So, we put something to, look like something different. We put some fancy look to her ring finger. So that's it. Yan yung ikakasal bukas. At magiging Mr. and Mrs. Jehoda na naman iyan bukas. Tomorrow is Saturday, I think.